Hello, Namaskar, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time, but I'm very grateful. I'm grateful to all of you who are still in my family of YouTube. It's been a year, I guess, or maybe more than that, I don't know even. कि मैंने अभी तक कोई वीडियो अपलोड नहीं की, but still I am getting good number of subscribers watching. You guys are watching it, my videos. I'm really grateful to that. So you know what, abhi I have decided that I'll share my career, because I have seen so many comments, so many questions you were asking about my college, about what I am doing right now, what salary, how's the life, what usually the work is, and so many things about my interviews and all. So yes, I have been gone through so many things, good bad phases. बहुत चीज़ें हैं to share with all of you. Definitely I'll share everything. So this is a kind of a small video introduction जिसमें I'm gonna create videos on the very daily basis, because अभी vacations चल रही हैं, and this vacations में I thought I should create some more videos. I was very occupied. The life is very hectic. Because I think most of you must be knowing that hotel management is not an easy thing to do. So life is very hectic. जब आप 13 hours 14 hours की shift करते हो, and when you come back to your room, it's very difficult to do something else. उसमें लगता है that just use your phone, start calling your closed ones, use your phone, do some of your stuffs. तो उसमें as an individual, because it's not just कि वीडियो बनाया and upload कर दिया, it's about you have to edit it little bit, you have to create, you have to be in that zone, in that aura that yes, I have to tell about it. वीडियो ज़्यादा important, जो highlights हैं वही आप share करो. So इस वजह से वीडियो I was not basically able to create videos on YouTube. So now अभी जब तक मैं घर हूँ, I'm doing my own stuff out here. We'll share everything on a daily basis. It's like a vlog I'm gonna start with. I'll share my whole life. जब भी I'll go back to hotel, वहाँ से I'll start showing you how hotel works, and how we all work as a hotelier. What is the life of a hotelier is, because it's not easy, dude. It's not at all easy. It's very interesting though, but it's not easy. So I'll share everything with you. भी मैं कल कोलकाता से वापस आया हूँ. I've been to my college. So the first question, yes, I did my college from Kolkata. I did BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration from NCHM City. I did it from Kolkata. So मैं कल आया हूँ. मैं गया था वहाँ पे to get my degrees basically from my college. जो मिली नहीं, मेरी डिग्री अभी आई हुई नहीं थी. So they just haven't found me to go back, and I came back home again, and I came back now. कुछ दिनों की छुट्टियां हैं, then I'll go back to my workplace. So I am working with the Oberois, which is the second question you were all asking. ताज HDP के ऊपर लोगों ने बहुत questions किए that what was the result and everything. So Taj HDP के interviews I've made till very good rounds, 3-4 rounds I have cleared. I was about to get HDP, but there is something happened in between which I don't know what happened. I was getting HOT, which is basically like a supervisor. That time if you are getting it's like a supervisor, you become just direct clearing that. They mentioned कि you will get that, but the college basically have informed me that वहाँ से कोई information नहीं आई कि अब आप किसको मिला है किसको नहीं मिला है. So I've decided to not wait there and to move on. तो मैंने फिर interviews दिए, and as you have seen the videos that I have given so many interviews, I've cleared almost 11-12 something hotels interviews. तो वहाँ से I've decided to work with the Oberois, because starting with the Oberois is something which is very 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 good for your learning purpose. Please मुझे बताइएगा if you are okay with English or you want it to make it in Hindi or English both, क्योंकि there is some people who is from other region of India who is really not able to understand Hindi, so they have requested to put the subtitles or maybe speak in English. So अब because as a hotelier ये थोड़ी सी habit हो गई है to continuously speak in English, but yes बीच बीच में will speak in both of the languages. So हाँ जी, I did my college from Kolkata. Now I'm working in Rajasthan. I work with the Oberois. I work with Oberoi Vanya Vilas. अभी बहुत सारे सब्सक्राइबर्स मेरे ऐसे भी हैं जो they have came as a junior of mine in a hotel और जिन्होंने मेरी वीडियोस देख रखी हैं already. So yes, I work there. I have एक बहुत अच्छा secret I have. So I'll share in my upcoming videos that I'll share some of the stuffs regarding OCLD also. बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन I'll share about OCLD. So आप बने रहिएगा वीडियो में. Now I'll be regular be uploading videos. तो अभी I'm just at home relaxing. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले शेव करके आया हूँ बिकॉज कुछ वीडियोस में द गर्ल्स यूज्ड टू कमेंट कि ही इज़ नॉट अ होटेलियर, ये तो शेव भी नहीं कर रहा है. सो मैडम इट्स नॉट ईजी. उनसे पूछो जो हर रोज़ शेव करते हैं कि इट्स नॉट ईजी टू शेव एवरी डे. जब भी मौका मिलता है वी स्किप शेविंग पार्ट. सो या अभी मैं घर पे था तो आई थॉट कि आई शुड, बट ठीक है. इट्स लाइक अगर आप डेली शेव कर रहे होते हो सो इट्स जब बियर्ड आनी शुरू हो जाती है इट्स फील्स लाइक ईचिंग एंड आई थॉट कि नहीं हटा देनी चाहिए. सो आई जस्ट हैव खुद को अच्छा भी नहीं लगता. यू नो आई थिंक आई पर्सनली फील कि नाउ आई फील मोर कॉन्फिडेंट मोर गुड व्हेन आई शेव. सो अभी तुरंत शेव करके आई जस्ट हैव एंटर्ड इन माई रूम. वॉज थिंकिंग कि क्या करूँ, किस चीज़ पे वीडियो बनाऊँ. देयर आर सो मैनी टॉपिक्स टू डिस्कस, बट मुझे ऐसा लगा दैट इंस्टेड ऑफ, बिकॉज एज अ सब्सक्राइबर ऑफ अदर hoteliers when I was joining this industry, I used to keep thinking कि to share something is important, but to see something, watch something, ऐसा कुछ जो आप देखो by your eyes, because it's not कि सिर्फ सुन के you cannot, you know, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it's not easy. अगर आप देखो वो चीज़ तो it will be more valuable for you, right? अगर मैं डेली बेसिस पे आई शो यू समथिंग कि ये कैसे काम कर रहे होते हैं होटल्स, हाउ द पीपल देयर वर्क्स, हाउ द लाइफ इज़, बिकॉज लाइफ इज़ नॉट ईजी. इट्स कहीं पे भी आप जाएंगे, किसी भी फ्रेंड से अगर आप पूछेंगे, दे मस्ट बी डूइंग 13 hours मैक्सिमम और 14 hours मैक्सिमम शिफ्ट. Some hotels have definitely came in work-life balance, like Oberois are working on work-life balance. Honestly, in our hotel, some of the junior team members have did 10-hour shift. So now they are keep working on it. But yes, shift hours is an issue, and इसके ऊपर काम करना चाहिए कि hotels को, brands को. But I think they are now working on it. तो yes, ये सारी चीज़ें जब आपको डेली बेसिस पे पता चलेंगी, आई विल बी कीप शेयरिंग दैट विथ यू ऑल कि कैसे काम होता है होटल में, हाउ डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट वर्क्स, इंटरव्यू के बारे में एंड एवरीथिंग, हाउ आई हैव यू नो व्हाट आई हैव अचीव्ड in this 2 years of because I was in a batch of 1922. So मुझे 2 साल हो गए joining this industry. So yeah, I did my training from Leela Bangalore. If अगर आप मेरे वीडियोस पे आप कनेक्टेड हैं बेसिकली मेरे चैनल से तो यू मस्ट बी नोइंग. नाउ आई एम वर्किंग विद द ओबरॉयज. अभी मेरा आई एम गेटिंग सम ऑफर्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, इंडिया के बाहर से भी, बट आई वॉन्ट टू बी, आई शेयर एवरीथिंग कि क्यों नहीं जाना है या व्हाट्स द रीज़न, व्हाट्स गुड व्हाट्स बैड, बिकॉज इट्स इंडिविजुअल थाट. मेरे कई फ्रेंड्स हैं जो बाहर काम कर रहे हैं. So I'll share everything one by one. I just wanted to start something now जिससे boost up मिले मुझे भी to create some videos. We'll be sharing. So देखो एक shoot में बिना किसी कट के I just have created this video. So yeah, I'll be definitely will be regular on this. You please keep asking questions that what you want me to create for you, आपको basically क्या जानना है. मेरा Instagram I'll share. आप मुझे Instagram पे बेझिझक you can text me. मैं मोस्टली सबका रिप्लाई करता हूँ. I'll reply all of you. So thank you so much for watching this video. We'll be back with another video. And तब तक अपना रखिए बहुत सारा ख्याल. जय हिंद.